Tricks on how to be successful in the stock market. Today's economy is failing. You can no longer rely on being able to get a job to be able to pay your bills. Most people today are lucky to make minimum wage, and anyone who makes more tends to have so much debt that they can't survive. Included here are some tips on investing, which can help you to sustain your lifestyle. Check out your potential investment broker's reputation before giving him or her any money. Investigating an investment broker's background is the best way to protect yourself from investment fraud. Don't let greed or impatience control your decisions when it comes to investing in the stock market. Buying low and selling high is a common tip because it makes sense to buy a stock when there's a higher chance that it will rise in price, even if you have to wait for a while. Companies with wildly popular goods or services that seem to gain visibility overnight should normally be avoided. Instead, wait to see if the business does well in the long term, or it could easily lose its value as quickly as it found it. You might want to stick to reliable products instead of fads when choosing stocks. It is generally better to invest in a limited number of positions that you are confident in, rather than to invest in many different companies. For example, if you like the way telecom companies have been performing, and if there are 4 companies that appeal to you, take the time to determine which stock is the best and most cost-effective. Rather than invest in all 4 companies, you should invest only in the company that you believe is the best. Even if you can only save a small part of your current income for investing, you can reinvest what you earn from it, until you have a large portfolio, making you a reasonable second income stream. This will allow you to have a bit of peace of mind in the fact that you will be able to support your family until the economy gets better. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.